Hey everyone, it's Max Anderson and I'm coming to you live from Ann Arbor, Michigan, and I'm here at the Michigan chapter, and I have with me our amazing speaker that we had today, our guest speaker, Lethia Owens. Yay! She tore it up for the last couple hours. If you weren't here today and you missed out on this opportunity, you missed out on a gold mine of information. So you're going to share something with us today. You shared so much information. What can you share with our folks who perhaps couldn't make it today?
So one of the things I want to share in this very quick moment is how to really make your message more magnetic. And I taught today a strategy around not just sharing messages that are head-to-head. Many times we share messages that share information, right? But head-to-head messages just create awareness, but it doesn't move people to do anything. But when you learn to speak heart-to-heart and share a message that really moves people by connecting with their heart, now you inspire and motivate them to do something different. But then there's another level called spirit to spirit. And what that is just speaking to a person's highest ambitions and aspirations. And when you do that and you share with them something powerful, you're actually transforming them in the moment. They're changed. They're not the same person that they were when they came into the session. So try that the next time you're speaking, and you will see that you will move people and your brand will become more magnetic.
I couldn't agree more with you, and the fact from the moment you started speaking today, you moved us. We're amongst like-minded people. We come here to gather and put our arms together and grow in our business.